Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn about one of the most popular sports in the world, baseball. If you've ever seen a baseball game and felt confused, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll understand everything. Baseball is a team sport played between two teams of 9 players each. The main goal is simple: score more runs than the other team. The game is played on a field with 4 bases arranged in a diamond shape. The game has 2 teams. One team bats, tries to score runs. The other team fields, tries to stop them. Here's how it works. The pitcher throws the ball to the batter. The batter tries to hit the ball and run to the bases. If the batter completes a full circle of all 4 bases, they score a run. A baseball game is divided into 9 innings. Each inning has 2 halves. Top half, first team bats. Bottom half, second team bats. Each team gets 3 outs per inning. After 3 outs, teams switch. There are several ways a player can get out: strike out, missing the ball 3 times, catch out, ball caught before hitting the ground, run out, player tagged before reaching base. Understanding outs is key to following the game. Each player has a specific role. Pitcher throws the ball, catcher catches behind the batter, infielders guard bases, outfielders catch long hits. Team coordination is very important, and baseball is especially popular in countries like the USA and Japan. Leagues like Major League Baseball, MLB, attract millions of fans. The game is exciting because of strategy, teamwork, and unpredictable moments. So that's the basics of baseball. Now you can watch a game and actually understand what's going on. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.